Thanks for joining me. I'm Daryl Potton. Good morning, I'm Daryl Potton. Thanks for joining me today. Today I got a couple radiators out of air conditioner I'm going to tear apart, and I'm going to give you a few pointers to get the most money out of it. Air conditioners are a good way to stockpile scrap. Now you're going to need a Sawzall or a pair of snips for this. You can buy a Sawzall pretty cheap at Harbor Freight or Menards. Now first thing you're going to want to do is you want to cut these elbows off. Now, after you got your air conditioner all tore down and you're down to your radiators, you're going to want to trim these copper elbows off. Bend these edges back so you can get in there and cut it. Alright, now you got that done, you can get your Sawzall and you want to get in there as close as you can to this piece of metal. Close. You're going to knock this piece of steel off each end so you get the clean radiator price. If you don't cut the ends off, you're going to get a lower price. We got a clean radiator. You get about 40 cents a pound less if you don't clean it up. A lot of people want to know how you find out the scrap prices. You can go on Google, National Scrap Prices, iScrap. That'll give you a rough idea of what the prices are. You want to know for sure, find out your local scrap yards and call them up and ask them what the prices are. Now back to the radiators. Let's review what we recovered from the radiator. 2 pounds of steel, 8.5 pounds of clean radiator, 1 pound of copper. Go on Google and type in National Scrap Prices, iScrap. It'll give you a rough estimate what the prices are in your local area. Thanks for watching and follow along, and we'll see you guys in the next one.